Hello, I'm Liviu Balan, and today I will show you how to create and delete a user on Ubuntu Server. So let's get started. First of all, I will connect to my Ubuntu virtual machine using SSH Ubuntu VM. Now I will create a user using the useradd command. Be very careful when you use the useradd command on Ubuntu server, because most of the time you'll have to specify all these arguments. So what these arguments are: the -m create the user's home directory if it does not exist. The -s and the value is the name of the user's login shell. The -g and then a string or a number is the group name or number of the user's initial login group. The -c and the value is generally a short description of the login and is currently used as the field for the user's full name, and then is the actual username for the new user. Hit enter and then type the sudo password. After this, the user is created. If you want to check this, you can take a look in etc password file, and here on the last line you will see some info. First is the username, then is the user ID, the group ID, the user name, the location for the home directory, and then is the user's login shell. After this, I want to check that everything is okay, and I will change the user ID to the newly created user. So I will use sudo su and then the username, which I previously created, liviu.balan. Now I'm on my newly created user, and I will use cd and then tilde, and for this I will use print working directory. So as you can see, my home directory is created. If I want to see the groups for this newly created user, I will use the groups command. So as you can see, the default group is www.data. The reason that I put my newly created user on www.data group is that I will use this user on a web server where I've installed an Apache server. So in order to avoid problems with the Apache server, I put my user on this group. Okay, I will exit this user, and now I'm on my sudo default account, which is Liviu. Now I want to show you how to delete a user account and related files. So I will use the userdel command with -rf options. What these options represents: the -r for -r, files in the user's home directory will be removed along with the home directory itself and the user's mail spool. The -f is an option which forces the removal of this account even if the user is still logged in. So if the user is still logged in, you can remove his account using the force command, the -f. Hit enter, and now if I type vi etc password file, you will see that here is no liviu.balan user created. If I use sudo su liviu.balan, you will see that the user doesn't exist. So this is how you create and delete users in Ubuntu Server, on Ubuntu Server. If you want to learn more about Ubuntu and Ubuntu Server, you can check out my tutorials on YouTube, and also you can visit my website liviubalan.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.